We're trying to find the actual profit to produce the 1,000 first. Well, profit is revenue minus cost. So let's find the revenue function first. Revenue is number of units sold times the price of each one. So the revenue is X times your price demand function, which is 10 minus 0.001x. So R of X is 10x minus 0.001x squared. Now we're trying to find profit. We still need to know the cost function. The cost function will be variable cost is 2 times each unit to make plus the fixed cost of 7,000. So profit will be revenue, which is 10x minus 0.001x squared. Revenue minus cost, which is 2x plus 7,000. And that's going to be P of x will be 10x minus 0.001x squared minus 2x minus 7,000. So profit is negative 0.001x squared plus 8x minus 7,000. So to answer this question, you want to find the actual profit to produce the 1,000 first. You're going to find P of 1,001, which is the cost to produce 1,001 of them, minus the profit realized. I said to produce, I used bad language there. The profit for the 1,000, that's how much profit is realized for 1,000 units. You subtract the 2, and that's going to give you your answer, which is $6. And the way you find P of 1,001, you just plug that in for X there, and then do the same thing for 1,000.